Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Laredo Division at Keystone RV. Today I'm here to share a few of the benefits of our Laredo Superlite front cap. As you can see, this cap is very aerodynamic. It's engineered specifically to cut through the wind. Also, it has this patented Hitch Vision backup mirror system. It features the Max Turn technology to help you turn in those tight situations. This cap then comes completely painted and features 2 layers of automotive clear coat. For more information, log on to our website or contact your local dealer.
Thanks for watching Keystone RV on YouTube. Like and share this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to our channel for the latest product updates and valuable service advice from the experts here at Keystone RV, keeping you camping through the long haul.